What's up, guys? Today is Wednesday, and what's in the shop?
We're wearing our Hellfire Club t-shirts for our trunk or treat that we're having this Friday at our LATROBE location from 6 to 9 p.m.
What's up, guys? We're out in front of the Blackout Tinting in LATROBE, here with this beautiful Lamborghini Huracan Evo. It's here for a full expel wrap. You got window tint all the way around. Nate and I did it yesterday. It's getting marker lights and a ceramic coating.
All right, we have a older Chevy pickup truck that is getting strip and retint of the driver's window and a visor done.
This is one of my favorite cars out there. This Bentley right here. It's here for touch-up paint on the front bumper. Had a couple of rock chips, so we're gonna get it all fixed up for her and get her on the way.
This RV here is going to be getting paint protection film and a full ceramic coating.
This here 2019 GMC Terrain was here for the 2 front windows and a visor.
This GMC AT4 got a full front end PPF. It's got window tint all the way around and it's getting a ceramic coating. Porsche's
here to get expel on the full front end, and it's getting a ceramic coating.
This Cadillac here is for window tint and a ceramic coating this week.
This here GMC Sierra is here in for a 2-week wash. We ceramic coated it a few weeks ago. Now it's here to get it all cleaned up.
This 2023 BMW M3 X-Drive got a full stealth wrap to change the paint to matte finish, and I got a full tint job.
This Mustang here got a full paint correction with expel fusion coating and window tint.
This F-150 Platinum got a full paint correction and a full ceramic coating this week.
Most people wonder, does PPF really work? Well, this Cadillac Escalade came in today from damage done to the front bumper. Well, we pulled the paint protection film off, and as you can tell, the bumper was saved, and we will be applying a new piece of PPF on the front bumper.
That's what's going on in the shop this week.
And we're gonna send you over to Luke in Gibsonia, who also lost to me in fantasy this week. So, here you go.
What's up, guys? It's Wednesday, so let's take a look at what's going on here at the Gibsonia shop. In the back, our full wrap of the week is this 2022 Tesla Model X. You can see on the bumper the factory gloss black paint job, and we're converting this to a matte satin finish with XPEL stealth paint protection film on the entire vehicle. We are also tinting the 2 front windows in the 20% Prime XR window tint to match the back section, and then topping it off with an XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Over here we have a Ford Bronco Raptor. We have a video on this vehicle on both our TikTok and our Instagram page, so check that video out. This one got some paint protection film on the front of the vehicle, along with the sides. We are tinting the 2 front windows in 20% to match the back section, and then ceramic coating the entire vehicle. Here we have Ian working on an annual checkup. This is a Mercedes-Benz GLC 43 AMG. This one last year got a full XPEL PPF wrap in our stealth film along with the Fusion Plus ceramic coating, and is back in for its yearly maintenance checkup. In the showroom, we have a 2022 Volvo S60. This was in the shop for a full paint correction and an XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. In the tint bay, we have Brandon working on a 2023 Cadillac Escalade. This is getting the 2 front windows done to match the back section and our Prime XR 20% window tint. Next up, we have this 2022 Lexus GX 460. This is in for some paint protection film on the front bumper along with the door cups, a full paint correction and Fusion Plus ceramic coating, and front 2 windows tinted to match the back section, and our XPEL Prime XR 20%. Outside, we have this 2022 Chevy Tahoe. This is from our friends at St. Barnabas Auto, and this is getting a full tint job. It's going to be getting the Prime CS 20% tint on the side windows and the back window, along with the 5% visor. That's all for what's going on here in Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Welcome back to another What's in the Shop Wednesday. We're finally back down here in sunny Florida once again. So let's see what we have going on this week here at the Miami shop. All right, so we're gonna start outside. So first up, we have this 2019 Mini Cooper Clubman. This just got dropped off for tint. We are doing XPEL XR 20% on all the side windows and the rear window. And over here we have a completed tint job. This one got the XPEL XR 20% on the front driver and passenger windows and 20% over the factory tint in the rear. And we also did the 55% on the windshield. This thing definitely looks much better with tint. All right, so first up we got a Model S Plaid. This customer did a special request for his window tint. We are doing XPEL XR plus 15% on all of these side windows and the rear window. And we're doing 70 on the sunroof. And we're also doing a 30% on the front windshield as well. So this customer actually got his handles custom painted to match the car. And then he did the painted taillights as well. Definitely looks much better. And over here, this is another fun project. This is a 2021, I believe, Porsche Taycan. It's getting a full XPEL stealth wrap. So we're basically making everything that is this gloss metallic black to a matte. It's gonna look really good when it's all done. And it's also getting the XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating over top of the stealth once it is all completed. All right, so that's all that we have going on this week here at the Miami location. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube channel and tell us how we're doing. We appreciate it.